Anyway, okay, so we're here at the beach. No, anyway. So I figured we would do this video because people are probably curious because our channel is called Pilgrimage to Passport. Because we met on a pilgrimage and we started dating. We're married now. See? And we didn't really plan on it. We'd been dating a little over a year. And then we decided, well, I don't remember what happened, and I just suggested, what happened? Oh, I suggested to her, I suggested to her that maybe you should, you tried to get a Canada visa?
Before I went to the pilgrimage, that was pending already.
Oh, yeah.
And then we went to the pilgrimage, and then I applied for Japan visa.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
And you got the Japan visa.
Yeah, and then we went to Japan. And this was about January of 2024. And then he suggested to me that, why won't you try to apply for US visa? So
I figured, why not, right? I mean, I'd heard all kinds of horror stories that it takes forever. It's really hard to get a U.S. visitor's visa, especially if you're single and you're a woman. So I said, yeah, but you never know. Just give it a try. And she did.
I tried also because I think you came to visit me
I went back and forth to
already.
Manila a few times already, and it's like, I don't mind going back and forth to Manila, but I'm like, it'd be nice if you could come and visit here. So this way, I could go visit there, she could come visit here. That was the plan. That was the plan all along. And then, so I said, give it a try. See if they'll give you a visa. You never know, right? And lo and behold, so I told her to give it a try, and she did. And how long did it take?
No. For the application, maybe I tried December for the booking, December of 2023. And then it depends. I heard some people, sometimes it's a couple months, but for me, it's about 1 month. So my appointment for that is about January when I came back from Japan.
Oh, yeah.
When I came back to Japan, that's when it was scheduled. So that's good. So after additional travel experience ko sa Japan, which enough din sa akin when I went to the embassy, when with your recent travels. So, yon. And then...
So maybe it was easier for you to get. It was easier for her to get probably because you traveled a couple times, a few places and gone back. They figured, she just likes to travel. Or who can ever tell why? I'm not sure. Like, I guess they go through a questionnaire or something, and if they have a good feeling about somebody, they'll give it to them. If they don't, then they don't. Okay, whatever.
But about the result for that, you will know on that day.
They'll tell you right away. I didn't know that.
Because they will get your passport. So they
okay.
will have the visa. So if you fail, you're gonna have your passport back.
Okay.
So yeah. So from that day, then I messaged him, I was approved.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, it was great, but I didn't realize that it was a surprise because I'd heard so many people saying, I tried so many times and I couldn't. I've had cousins, I think cousins or friends of friends or something. I just heard that it was difficult to get a U.S. visitor's visa, especially for Filipinos.
Yeah.
I could be wrong, but I think that's what I heard. Where's this? So that's what I heard. So, but anyway, so she came finally like a few months later, a couple months later, March. She came,
Yeah, end of March before April.
and they gave her 6 months. So I'm like, cool, that's plenty of time to wander the island's not that big. It's like 30 miles long. But, you know, there's enough stuff to check out. That's what we did for a while. Blah, blah, blah. We did all these things. We had, you know, we got to know each other a little bit more, blah, 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 blah. You know, we went to the beach, the pool, the different restaurants I like going to. She met my friends, my family, a few things here and there. And then March turned into April, which was good, my birthday. Then
Yay.
May, then June, July, 4th of July, June was Liberation, August, and then it got closer and closer to leaving, and I'm like, it's weird because I've never been on the I've never been on the leaving end, if that makes sense. Usually I'm the one leaving.
Mm-hmm.
It's just, I don't know, it was like, do you hear the chickens? It was just, it felt weird for me to be on the leaving end. I guess I'm selfish that way, I don't know. So I was like, you know what? It wasn't the typical frickin' had my friends hide and pretend we were somewhere and I asked her to marry me. It was kind of a sort of just like, you know, I like you, you like me. I was gonna start singing something, I forgot, it was stupid. But anyway, I'm like, I think we're really into each other and blah, blah, blah. I mean, we'd already said I love you, right? So we knew where we were headed. We just never planned on it happening this fast, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it did, and so we're here, and it's been great. I mean, you know, it's like any relationships. We have our ups and downs, but it just worked out. Everything just kind of fell into place, right? So I said, you know what? Never mind going home. And she was really worried. You know, it's like, I'm gonna get kicked out. Blah 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 blah. I'm all, no, it's okay. Fortunately for me, I have a friend that's an attorney who happens to be an immigration attorney. Thanks, Jen.
Thank you po.
But, so we went to her and said, hey, how do we do this? And she's like, you can do it, but you guys have to be legal first. So we got married. We got married, the Lieutenant Governor, Josh Tenorio, thanks again,
Thank you po.
and my good friend Crystal works for the governor's office. She helped out. Thanks, Crystal. And her tita
Yeah,
also.
my aunt.
And my friend Michelle did the makeup.
Thank
Tori
you.
did the hair.
And then Mike.
And then Mike did the pictures.
Thank
and then we had a
you.
nice dinner at one of the hotels. I just, you know, just something, just a small, quiet one. And it just, you know how the thing, like when just things just come together? Some people some people call it serendipity, but some people refer to string theory, fate. It just, I
Yes.
think God had a hand, but it just all worked out. So we got married September 27, so like a year after we met.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We dated for a year, got married. We just had our 1 year anniversary. So, and anniversary present, we got approved, right?
Yeah.
Approved meaning I filed my I-130, so that's the petition for a U.S. citizen to petition their spouse, right?
Or relative.
Spouse or relative, and then there's a 485 for the spouse to petition to adjust status. And we got approved. And now we're just waiting on the green card, which they said they were supposed to be here, like at the end of a couple months. Anyway, we got this done. Are you in there? Okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
We got this done, and I mean, thankfully the immigration attorney is a friend of mine, so we got a pretty good discount. There's her fee for filing all of this stuff, and there's the fee from from USCIS. And you guys probably wondering, wait, what does all this cost? And it took a while. We filed this we got married in September. We started gathering all the paperwork, all the proof that this was a legitimate marriage, and she didn't pay me. Only a little bit though. Just kidding. Probably shouldn't say that. But
Loko-loko ka.
the attorney, we got like 20% off. And the fees for filing the things are standard, right? You can't get away from that. It's a fee that the USCIS sets, and you pay that. The attorney obviously charges us that. We pay them, and they hand it off to USCIS. It's a whole thing. So we filed it December or January.
January.
Yeah.
When they file it, they're gonna.
You get a
Give you-
receipt notice.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
will get
That
your
says, okay, we got all your paperwork. We're gonna review it. I think I was thinking because they said it would take 12 to 14 months, right? Something like that. So I registered online. She did too. So my 130 showed up, and I saw, and it said 14 months
Yeah.
or 16 months.
But for the adjustment, it says 8 months.
8 months? Okay. So that took like 16. Then I started going down to 15 and then 14. And it stayed at 14 months, January, February, March, April, May. It didn't move at all. And then October, we get, no, not October, end of September, we get a message from attorney that, hey, let's do a meeting because we have I guess they got a notification that our appointment was for the first week of October at this time, so we had to go through. And the attorney just told us basically what it's an interview. They would talk to both of us, ask us a series of questions, et cetera, et cetera. I think it went well, except for me crying. I'm just freaking getting older and crying every freaking time I have to tell this story over and over. I'm surprised I didn't cry now, but I didn't tell the story, so maybe that's why.
Yeah.
So,
Do you want to know the price ba?
yeah.
So, for the petition, yung I-130,
130?
I-130, for now, for our filing, 675. Tapos yung sa adjustment of status, 1,440. And then, we filed other 2 documents, which is optional.
Yeah, which is optional. You can apply while you're waiting for this approval. It's employment, what's it called?
Application for employment authorization.
Yeah.
So, you will be able to
To
work sooner.
Yeah, work sooner while waiting for approval and a green card.
So, and then that's 260, and then I guess we didn't need this anymore.
Yeah, that I-131, it's an application for travel document, so that you can travel while waiting for all this stuff. We still haven't gotten it, even though we got the approval for the green card already, and we're
Yeah.
waiting for that. So I guess that was,
630.
so 630 we paid, but didn't really need it.
But it
that's
depends.
Okay. Yeah.
Because
some
sometimes
people
it takes a
long.
while
Yeah.
for the green card to be
Yeah.
processed. So maybe we're just lucky.
Yeah.
So, yun.
Yeah, because our January and then October, so that's like 10 months.
But yung work authorization ko, we filed January, it came April.
Was it April?
Yeah,
Okay.
about that time. So,
Okay, so
that
that
was
was good.
quick.
Yeah. That was quick, so that's a good thing.
So, ayun. So, looking back sa akin, pag iniisip, when I think about it, yeah, using the one that he's saying about faith, yung mga ganun.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
I feel emotional as well when I look back because hindi lang siya between us na we chose each other. Parang meron din siyang approval ng lahat, ng ni
Yeah,
God.
even USCIS.
Yeah, yung ni Lord tsaka ng tao around us na yun. And then of course with this when we're filing this in the middle of it, we're praying also. So I guess dun mo makikita yung God's answer na
Yeah.
you're good. Okay, approve yung relationship niyo. I'm with you. Ganun. So ayun.
Yeah, it was good. It was, wow. I didn't think it would take, I mean, it took a while, right? But I always thought it would take like a couple years. Or not a couple years. I thought it would take at least a year. But I'm not gonna, I mean, I'm not gonna, look a gift horse in the mouth? I mean, I'll take it. We got approved early, or I don't know, because I don't know how long these things last, but we got approved. I'm happy, I'll take it. I'm good. All right?
Yeah.
So anyway, so I think that's the video we have for now. If you have questions or if you've got stories to tell us, let us know. We're curious. How long did it take you to get your visa and stuff like that? We're just waiting, by the way. It's like the middle of October right now, and they said it was either at the end of this month or the beginning of next month, which is November. So all told, maybe 10 months. So yeah, give us stories if you have stories.
And yeah, maganda yun. If meron pa kayong ibang questions about this process or
Yeah.
kung what other requirements did we needed na hindi namin nasabi in this video, you can ask or put in the comment section.
Yeah, do that. All right, we're out of here. We're gonna go eat. We're hungry.
Bye!